Hello, I'm Alison and welcome to my English lesson. There are 44 sounds in the English language. If you can master these 44 sounds, it will help you to speak English clearly. In today's lesson, I'm covering my 44 sounds of the English language chart. Now, each part of this chart is broken up into the different sounds. All of these sounds here are the short vowel sounds. These are the long steady vowel sounds. These are the unsteady vowel sounds. And all the rest of the sounds are the consonant sounds. I'm going to sound out each sound one by one. So let's begin. Ant. Egg. Igloo. Orange. Up. Book. Agree. And now I'm going to do the long steady vowel sounds. Glass. Fork. Leaf. Moon. Bird. And now we'll do the unsteady vowel sounds. Lion. Boat. Play. Here. Owl. Town. Chair. Toy. Tour. And now we will do all of the consonant sounds. Pet. Bed. Tap. Dog. Key. Gull. Fox. Van. Thumb. Feather. Sun. Zip. Ship. Vision. Hat. Rat. Lunch. Jet. Map. Nut. Ring. Yam. Ooh, wig. All, lemon. Now let's do these sounds again, but this time I will just say the sounds, not the words. A, E, I, O, A, O, Ö, A, O, I, U, Ö, I, O, A, ear, ow, air, oi, ua, p, b, t, d, k, g, f, v, s, z, sh, j, ch, j, n, y, w, o. Now, if you practice these sounds over and over again, these are the 44 sounds of the English language, and they will help you to speak English clearly. You can play this video as many times as you like until you become very good at saying these sounds. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.